Hi friends, today I'm going to solve the exercise number 1 of 1. So the first question says that is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P of Q, P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? Okay friends, it's very easy, very simple question. So please focus here. So I'm writing here its solution. Is 0 a rational number? So first of all, I would like to remind you that what a rational number is. Any number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0. So if I write in place of P as 0, and in the denominator I can write where Q is not equals to 0. So I can write Q is any number, any integer apart from 0. So it can be -1, it can be -2, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, anything, any number you can write apart from 0 as Q. So it can be a rational number, it will be a rational number, okay, until unless Q is not equal to 0. That's it, that's the only condition to be a rational number of 0, right? So the denominator should not be 0, but numerator can be 0. So 0 upon -1, 0 upon -2, 0 upon any number, 0 upon positive any number, 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, every number will be counted as rational number. So 0 is a rational number. I am writing you in a block 0 in words. 0 is a rational number, okay? So I can write it in the form of P upon Q. So this is your P upon Q, this is your P upon Q, this one is your P upon Q, so this one is your P upon Q. So I can write in the form of P upon Q. So second form is also true, that it can be written in the form of P upon Q. So I have wrote it in the form of P upon Q. The first question is over. Okay, so the next question is find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So I have a very simple trick to do such type of questions. You only need to add the given range, that is you have to add 3 plus 3 plus 4, so you will get your number as 7. Now you have to write 3 in the form of 7. So how you will write it? Simply look here, you can write 3 as 21 upon 7. You have added the both numbers, right? So you have simply divided total sum with a number which gives you 3, and here 4 will be obtained as, you can write to get 4 as 28 upon 7. So you will get 4. So I know that 21 is less than 22, 22 is less than 23, 23 is less than 24, 24 is less than 25, 25 is less than 26, and 26 is less than 27, 27 is less than 28. So I am writing over here 21 upon 7, which is your 3. So 3 can be written as, which is less than 22 upon 7, which is less than 23 upon 7, which is less than 24 upon 7, which is less than 25 upon 7, which is less than 26 upon 7, which is less than 27 upon 7, which is less than 28 upon 7, which is 4. So ultimately what are your 6 numbers between 3 and 4? So 3 is your 21 upon 7 and 4 is your 28 upon 7. So what are in between numbers? These are the numbers. So I can write the 6 numbers: 22 upon 7, comma 23 upon 7, comma 24 upon 7, comma 25th upon 7, comma 26 upon 7, comma 27 upon 7. So these are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, this is how you have to do the proof. Hope the second question is clear to you. We are proceeding for question number 3 now. Okay friends, so I have written the third number question, which specifies as you have to write 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So in such type of questions, you only need to check out the denominator. If the denominator is same, then you have to write the equivalent fraction. So how to write equivalent fraction? we have to find 5 rational number. So we will proceed one ahead of 5, which is 6. So what I will do, I will multiply the lower limit, that is 3 upon 5 by 6 upon 6, because I need to find 5 rational numbers. I will be going one number more, which is 6. 5 plus 1, 6 upon 6. I will multiply the lower limit and the upper limit. Upper limit is 4 upon 5, which is again multiplied by 6 upon 6. How 6 has come? I will say it again, that you have to take one larger number than the given range, that is 5 rational numbers. So you need to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. If they have asked you 6 rational number, then you have to multiply it 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 7 to numerator and denominator. Got the idea? अगेन मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, अगर उन्होंने 5 नंबर बोला है निकालने का, तो हम एक नंबर आगे बढ़कर मतलब 6 बाई 6 से हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, लोअर लिमिट को और अपर लिमिट को. अगर उसने 6 नंबर निकालने का बोला होता रेशनल नंबर का, तो हम यहाँ पे 7 बाई 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, यहाँ भी 7 बाई 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करते. अगर उन्होंने 7 नंबर निकालने का बोला होता, तो हम 7 प्लस 1 डेट इज़ 8 अपॉन 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करते लोअर लिमिट को और 8 अपॉन 8 से अपर लिमिट को. आई होप दिस इज़ क्लियर टू यू. सो व्हाट यू हैव गॉट, 6 3 is 18 upon 6 5 is 30, and here you have got 24 upon 30. Denominator again is same. The idea is to keep the denominator same so that we can proceed this number to meet the range. So I can write here the same concept that I have explained you in earlier question, which is this one. You can write 3 as 21 upon 7 and 4 as 28 upon 7. So in the same way you can write 3 upon 5 in this way, and you can write 4 upon 5 in this way. When you convert this in standard form, you will get this. Okay, so now I know that what I know that 18 upon 30 is less than 19 upon 30. 19 upon 30 is less than 20 upon 30. 20 upon 30 is less than 21 upon 30. 21 upon 30 is less than 22 upon 30. 22 is 23. 22 is upon 30 is less than 23 upon 30, and 23 upon 30 is less than 24 upon 30. Now you know that what is this, and you know that what is this. This is your 3 by 5 and this is your 4 by 5. So you have to write 5 rational numbers. So what are those numbers? You can write simply here as 19 upon 30, comma 20 upon 30, comma 21 upon 30, comma 22 upon 30, comma 23 upon 30. 1 2 3 4 5. These are your 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Hope the question number 3 is very much clear to you. If you still have any doubt, you can post it into the comment in the video comment section. So now we are proceeding towards question number 4. Okay, so the next question is state whether these are true or false. Number 1, every natural number is a whole number. Well guys, let us draw a number line simply here. That's it. 0 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. What it says, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number, so natural number starts from 1. Natural number always start from 1. So you can see in this direction. So every natural number is a whole number. Of course it is. 1 is whole, 2 is whole, 3 is whole, 4 is whole. So it's true. The first part is true, that every natural number is a whole number. Got it? Okay. So the second part, every integer is a whole number. Again I am drawing a number line here. 0 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So guys, these all numbers, negatives, positives as well as 0, these are all come into integers. Okay, so can you guess, is every integer is a whole number? No, false. Why? Because whole number starts from 0, but there is no negative number included in that. So every integer is not a whole number. That's a false story, right? False part of the question. So every integer is not a whole number, but every whole number is an integer. Converse is true. but this is not true that every integer is a whole number, else would have started the whole number range from 0. Okay, so the whole number range starts from 0, natural number range starts from 1 on positive side of the number line. So this is false, that every integer is a whole number. Clear? Moving towards the third part, every rational number is a whole number. Well guys, again let me tell you, 3 upon 2 is a rational number, 4 upon 5 is a rational number because it can be written in the form of p upon q. Any number which is written in the form of p upon q where q is not equal to 0 is a rational number, but you can see that they are not whole number. Okay, a whole number is in the form of 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6, there is no fraction left, right? So every rational number is not necessarily a whole number. That's again a false part of the question. Hope the exercise 1 is very much clear to you. We have solved question exercise number 1 in this part of video. Guys, if you really like the way we have discussed the ideas, please do subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share with your friends. Stay tuned for the coming videos, coming topic, coming exercises. Thank you for watching.